Okay, this is number 3 of the series. I know I'm going a bit slow on this because I've never built these before and I'm going off parts that I've just received. These pins need to be straightened up because they're bent over when you get them. Then you've got to try and fit them into those holes. I'm hoping that SCL is at the bottom and SDA is above it, and then ground, and then your voltage or VCC is the second one down. Not sure what the other pins are for, whether that's a different version or this is the latest that I've gotten from AliExpress. So it's 2004A, so that will go into there, and then I've got to get some spacers to space it off, so I can actually push that in there, and that's fine. Almost lines up perfectly. Well, it does line up perfectly. Thanks for that, Brett. Now, I thought while I was going on about it, I'd pull out the other side so we can have a look at the opposite side of this board and see what we've got. Now, up in the top corner, you've got your old faithful ESP 8266. I've got a lot of them hanging around, so I didn't have to buy any of those. Then over here, you've got your USB. Correction, is that the USB? Yeah, it's your USB host. That's where that goes, in there. Now, on the other side, well, actually it's not your USB host. This part here is not your USB host. It's actually part of the W5500 section, and then underneath it you've got your USB host. So then you've gone, and we come down to here and we're looking at the circuit, and I'd say Q23, Q20 and the other ones would be FETs. Just having a guess. Not sure about 1, 2, 3 or the other Q at the moment. There's a couple of resistors. I've ordered all that. Down here I've reconsidered what these are. U8, U7, U6 and U5 and U4 and U3 and onwards is I would say some sort of temperature sensor. That's what I'd put in there, and that's what I'd reconsidered and thought about it. So there's a lot of parts to come, still waiting on parts. There's a part up here, a U9. I might ask Brett if he could point me in the direction of the circuit for this, so I can actually follow it for the tutorial. Now, this is Brett's latest. It's his number 2, not number 1. That was kind of a joke. Anyway, yeah, so number 2 should work all the way. And yeah, if you guys want to know more about this or the project, please go to Brett's website and register with Brett. And yeah, I appreciate Brett's help, and I am putting these videos up, Brett, so I can get a understanding of what I need to do next, or how you think I should go about it. I'm virtually playing the novice at the other end of the thing. I have had electronics experience, 30 odd years of it, but I'm playing the novice of putting this together. And yeah, I don't know where you got your barcode reader, Brett. If you want to list that one as well, be awesome. Thanks, mate. And thank you for everyone that's just subscribed. I had a couple subscribe this week, and I appreciate it. And I subscribed to one of the other guys because he had a multitude of videos, and some of them are pretty cool. His website, or his videos, are mainly on weapons. So yeah, I used to do some weapon stuff years ago. and so I thought it was pretty cool. Anyway, that's it from me, and this is part 3 of the videos, and soon we'll start soldering. Okay, bye.